Our captain steer the boat.
Look, bees, let's go blow some shit up.
Scurvy bilge rat. Let's go on the captain's bridge. Yeah.
I just turned 5 years old all over again.
I'm not going back outside.
It's hot out there.
I don't know how to get back.
Yeah.
Well, we have to get out to get back down. So there's that.
Captain Bridge, also known as the Flying Bridge. Forward bridge also allows the captain to see more of the deck.
Alright, look at I'm taking the captain's seat.
There's another one up here.
Oh, right on. Comfy. This is so cool. I flipped a whole bunch of dials.
This is the whatever you could look through. Pretty cool.
This is so cool.